everybody. Today in the lab we are getting hands-on with drones, and I'm joined by Damien from STEM Punks. Thank you so much for coming in. So talk me through it.
Yeah, I brought some drones down. Now everyone starts ticking over, what's a drone? I'm going, a drone is just an autonomous vehicle. We've got an air-based drone and we've got a land-based drone. Now this is really funky, this is really cool. We've used a little bit of software, a little bit of hardware. Hardware, I'll give you a tip. If it hits you in the head, it hurts, it's hard, hardware.
Yep.
Software is things like coding. We can use a lot of those things to make, do lots of little experiments. We can do problem-based learning. We can do little missions, heaps of stuff with these. Here I go. We turn this one on. Okay. Doink. It starts flashing, I know it's on. Then I turn this one on. Now these start talking to each other. We got my little car here, starts talking to it. So when I start tilting this little micro bit, now I don't mind giving you a go, but I'll give you a tip. Go slowly first of all. So if we tilt it forward and backwards, what do you think is going to happen if we tilt it to the left?
I'm hoping it's going to turn left and then right. So I'm going to carefully not drive this expensive drone off the table. Oh, that's great. Oh, the wheels turn.
Yeah.
Look at that. This is brilliant. And you don't normally think about cars like this being drones. I normally just think of flying drones.
Correct. Yep. So these drones would be really cool because what students actually, we've seen them start to do is do like little missions going up to the tuck shop and picking up all their food and coming back to class. Because it's just GPS. It's GPS, a code, a little bit of hardware, a little bit of software, and the power of your mind.
That's brilliant. Okay, so this is our land-based drone. We've also got an air-based drone here.
Yes, air-based drone. Again, we've got our hardware, tablet, drone. We've got our software. We use a little bit of software down here, and these two talk to each other from
Bluetooth.
Bluetooth, that's right. That's our connectivity. What we can do is we send a little code down to our drone, and I'll do it right now. I'm just looking for control. And then up it goes. However, there's a lot of engineering that's gone into this, heaps. It hasn't just been someone just gone willy-nilly, I want to make a drone. If we start having a look about what's actually going into this drone, this is a quadcopter.
Yes.
Why do you think it's called a quadcopter?
Because it's got 4 copters.
Yes, 4 motors, 4 blades, you're right.
Yeah.
But the cool thing to it is that these 2 blades are shaped differently than these 2 blades. You can have a look at that one.
Yep.
So these ones have got to go around clockwise, and these ones go around anti-clockwise.
So that helps to balance it out and give you full flexibility. It doesn't become like a gyroscope where it sort of goes on weird angles.
So how do you think, now that they all go the same speed, for the drone to go forward, what do you think has to happen?
Well, you've got to start applying some thrust forward, so I'm assuming that you make these ones go faster, so it tips.
Correct. It would just go like, back ones go faster, then off it goes.
Now, this drone also has on the front of it something special, right?
Yes, it does. It's got a nice, cool little grabber that I've managed just to push off when I was doing that little demo.
All right.
Let's have a look at that.
I want to see this.
Okay.
We've got something for it to grab here.
Yep. So then again, I've just sent in down a little code.
Yes.
And then it picks it up.
So you could fly this in, pick something up, and move it around.
Correct.
That is brilliant. Look, Damien, thank you so much for coming in. I'm going to keep playing with these. I want another go with this psychic wristband.
Yep.
And we will definitely have you back in the future. Damien from STEM Punks, everybody.
Thank you.